In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to provide Godaddy Delegate access in just 5 minutes. This process is essential for anyone looking to share management access to their domain administration without sharing account credentials. It's a secure way to work collaboratively on managing domain settings or troubleshooting issues. Now let's dive into the steps. First, head over to GoDaddy's main page. You'll find an array of services like domain names, websites, hosting, and online marketing tools. With this wide range of offerings, it's crucial to navigate to the right section for your needs. Once you're there, look for the Sign In button. It's typically found in the upper right-hand corner. Clicking on this button will prompt you to log in. Next, you'll want to sign in using a method of your choice like Google, which is one of the most convenient options provided. Making use of your Google account can simplify the process by eliminating the need to remember another set of credentials. Once logged in, you're directed to your GoDaddy homepage. This page acts as a hub, giving you access to all your GoDaddy products and settings. It's here that you'll manage various aspects of your account. Now direct your attention to the left-hand menu and select the option labeled Settings. This is a critical step because the settings menu houses all the necessary tools to manage your account profiles and permissions. Within the settings menu, you'll find the Delegate Access section. Go ahead and click on it. Delegate Access is precisely what we need to securely share account management capabilities. In this section, there's an option to invite to access. Clicking on that will bring up a simple form. This form requires a bit of your attention. First, enter the name of the person you wish to delegate access to. Make sure to double check their details for accuracy. Nobody wants to send an invite to the wrong person. Then enter their email address. This is crucial since their email is where the access invite will be sent. After entering the personal details, it's time to determine what level of access you want to provide. GoDaddy offers different access levels, allowing you to customize how much control the invitee has over your account. To keep things simple and secure, let's choose domains only. This access level restricts them to managing domain names without touching other parts of your account. With everything filled out, the final step is to click on Invite. By doing this, you send an email invitation to the specified person, giving them delegate access. They'll need to accept the invitation before they can start managing your domains. And there you have it, a straightforward method to provide GoDaddy Delegate access. By following these steps, you can ensure that your domains are managed securely and collaboratively. Thanks for joining in, and I hope this video was helpful.